While AI is taking over many traditional jobs, it is also opening the door to entirely new industries and exciting career opportunities. The same technology that automates tasks and replaces routine work is creating roles that did not exist before. Today, we witness the birth of careers that thrive on the power of AI. One such role is that of the prompt engineer. These professionals specialize in communicating with AI systems to get the best possible results. By mastering the art of giving clear and precise instructions, prompt engineers are in high demand. Many of them earn six-figure incomes simply by knowing how to interact effectively with AI. Their skills are essential for businesses looking to harness the full potential of advanced technology. Another rapidly growing field is that of AI content creators. These individuals use AI tools to produce engaging YouTube videos, write informative blogs, and even compose original music. With the help of AI, content creation becomes faster, easier, and far more efficient. This new wave of creators is transforming digital media, breaking down old barriers and opening up opportunities that were once unimaginable. In addition, automation consultants are emerging as key players in today's business world. Companies are eager to replace outdated processes with AI-driven solutions, and they need experts to guide them through this transition. These consultants analyze business operations, identify areas for improvement, and implement AI tools that boost productivity while reducing costs. Their guidance is highly valued, often earning them significant fees for their expertise. As you watch these rising income charts and innovative workspaces, think about the vast potential that AI offers for creating new job opportunities. It is not just about losing old roles, it is about gaining entirely new ones that bring exciting possibilities and financial rewards. The shift is real, and the opportunities are immense. So, I ask you, do you believe that AI is taking jobs away, or is it creating a whole new world of opportunities? The answer may be both, and it depends on how we choose to embrace these changes. Think of it this way: as old jobs fade, new paths are being carved out every day. With every technological breakthrough, the job market evolves. Those who learn to navigate this new terrain can find themselves at the forefront of a booming industry. Whether you are a creative mind, a tech enthusiast, or a business leader, the rise of AI opens a door to a future full of promise and profit. Embracing these opportunities now can set you on a path to success for years to come.